Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. I am turning 50 years old in about a week, and to celebrate, I'm taking the family to Disneyland. I will be at Galaxy's Edge in the middle of Star Wars on my 50th birthday. Maybe you'll be able to join me there. I have no idea. I needed to do something that was different, but to prepare for that trip, I needed to upgrade my equipment because, quite honestly, I haven't been traveling all that much in recent years. So I needed to get a better power brick to be able to fuel my device throughout the day, because I plan on recording video and potentially uploading that video to this channel. So expect a lot of vlogs and a flood of Disney and Star Wars stuff, as opposed to, like, tech videos in this channel. So I have to look at the manual to keep in mind the product name. Power Core Essential 20,000 PD, so 20,000 milliamp hours on this thing. It'll fit in my pocket. It's got USB-C on one port and USB-A on the other port, and so I'll be able to carry that and charge fast on the go, on the fly. But in the hotel room, I know we're going to have an array of USB devices, so I needed to get some kind of hub to be able to better connect through one AC outlet. And so I got this one. This is the PowerPort 6. I would have preferred to get something with a USB-C port, but Type A will work well enough. I've got an array of USB-C to A cables coming, hopefully before we leave in a few days. My question to you is, what would you have chosen for a power brick to carry with you? Or what would you have chosen for like a USB charging hub for your hotel room? And more than anything, what do you think I need to do when I go to Disneyland with the family for my 50th birthday, which is coming up? Oh my God!